11.5a. We're going to do volume of pyramids and cones for the next 2 lessons. So today is volume of, I wrote both. Pyramids is what we're doing today. Forget cones. We'll do cones when we get back from spring break. Okay, so volume of a pyramid. The volume formula is related to the volume of a prism. But a pyramid is a portion of a prism, essentially. If you took a rectangular prism, you could cut a pyramid out of that with the same base, right? So the formula is actually 1/3 the formula of a prism. So 1/3 BH is your pyramid formula. Same base, same height, different, it's 1/3 of the actual prism itself. So here's your biggest takeaway from today. Are you ready? Yes. 1/3 does not equal 0.3.
No, it's 0.3 bar notation.
It is 0.3 repeating, okay? If you plug into your calculator for this formula, 0.3 times the base times the height, you will get the wrong answer, okay? This is what you are using. Use the fraction key on your calculator or type in 1 divided by 3, but do not put in 0.3. That is not your friend. We don't want it, okay? You know, not that I'm aware of. I don't know. The repeating sign, the bar over top. Because it's a bar notation. It's a notation that is a bar.
I swear he was making that one word as a bar notation.
Oh, bar notation.
Yes.
Not bar notation. I see. No, bar notation. Okay. Yep, we are recording. Example 1 here. If we have a square pyramid, give it your best shot. They give us a height here. Is that H height or slant height? H or L? That's H, okay? And then this is 11. If we're using the formula volume equals 1/3 BH, what is B right now? Is what? Oh, say that again. 121? 121. Yes, 121. B is the area of your base. So it's 1/3 times 11 squared, right? Or 121. And then what is H? It's the height of the figure, which is the one that's perpendicular to your base. So that is going to be 6. So you're doing 1/3 times 121 times 6. And that will give you a volume of 242. How do you label that? Cubic inches. Okay, so nothing fancy to that one, right? You have your numbers. It's a matter of find the area of your base, plug them in, and you're good. Fairly basic, fairly simple, hopefully. Okay, what if your pyramid looks like this instead? Still going to be a square pyramid right now, so you can draw yourself a square pyramid. All right, for this one, you have 40, 40, and 25. Sorry, that's not very straight. So again, we want the volume. What do you do?
1/3. Quick math. Shut up.
Yay. 40 times 40, or 40 squared, right, is going to be the area of your base. So 1/3 times 40 squared. What's H?
25.
That's
No.
L, right? What is it?
Where are you?
15. Scott says 15. You think he's right?
Good for Scott.
Scott didn't like
20,
that.
25. Is it the Pythagorean Triple 20, 25, 15? Is that what it is?
Yes, that's a strange order to say it in, but yes, it is 15, 20, 25. It's a rendition of 3, 4, 5, right? 3, 4, 5 times 5 each. So you need the Pythagorean triple to find your height, right? This is H. This length is what? What's this bottom length? That is 20, because it's going to be half the length of your side. So it's going to be H squared plus 20 squared equals 25 squared. And when you solve that, H comes out to 15. Okay, so that means this height is our 15. And then you literally just plug that in. And again, don't plug in 0.3, right? Plug in 1 divided by 3 times 40 squared times 15, or use the fraction key. I don't care how you do it. Or multiply it and then divide by 3. That's fine too. So you could do 40 squared times 15 and then divide by 3, and you get 8,000.
Oh my goodness.
And I didn't give you units, so we're just going to call it units cubed. Okay,
Really big.
Yeah.
big numbers.
Yeah, the whole list.
Sure is.
Yeah.
Questions on that?
I have a question.
No,
Huh.
you don't. Stop recording.
How many